So some guy sold me tools and I paid for the tools, but they haven't arrived yet. So I'm gonna be making a small little wooden box for this week's video. But the tools should be here soon, so that video will also be out maybe next week. The first step is to select the materials. And now I'm gonna pretend that I haven't already picked the materials. So this is the materials for now. I'll probably take some more later. And also I put my bandsaw right here. I wanted this table to be free. Since these are small pieces, I'm gonna be using the number 3 plane to joint these. So one time I tried to cut dovetails, the pins first. You see, these are the tails, and what I'm gonna cut here are the pins. And I tried it and I liked it better, but I guess I'm more used to cutting the dovetails like this, so when I started cutting these dovetails, I automatically went to cut the pins. And the dovetails I cut fucking sucked. Like, I've cut decent dovetails before, but the saw I cut these with was just fucking terrible. Oh, if I had a better saw, I could cut better dovetails. I mean, I know it's not good to blame the tool, but sometimes the tools really are just terrible. You see, if I hadn't cut ever hadn't cut good dovetails, I wouldn't say nothing, but yeah, the saw is terrible and so were the dovetails. So this is what I came up with for the corners. I didn't show you how I made the corner pieces, for which I apologize. I just forgot to film them. But anyway, now I'm marking the corners with numbers so I know which way the box goes together. And now I'm just gluing it up. so gluing up all the boards were in level, but now I'm taking them off with a hand plane, and now I'm smoothing it with some sandpaper, because I didn't want to get any spelching or tear out on the corner pieces. And now I'm making the lid for the box. So for the lid I decided to do some inlay, and I don't do this very often, but when I do it takes forever. Like cutting out all the little pieces and shit. But yeah, I really love how the finished product usually looks. And this took most of the day. And I was really worried of fucking something up when I glued it to the lid, because that would be days worth of work just put in the shitter, I guess. Yeah. In the past I had glued down the side with the tape, so that the tape without the side is up, and you're not supposed to do that. But I didn't do that for this one, which would have been bad because there was a thick layer of tape underneath that veneer. And I waited a little bit for the glue to dry, and I took it out of the clamps. Or maybe I should buy the special veneer tape, because when I was using this, it actually tore up some of the grain on the veneer, which wasn't ideal. And now I sanded it, and I finished it with some boiled linseed oil, which I forgot to show you. I'm sorry. Hey, look how it turned out. Pretty fucking nice. Now for the amount of times I've done inlay, I could count it on one hand, but not for long. And yeah, check it out. Looks pretty sick. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterfly. This turned out sick.